Welcome to Smart Home Devices Explained 2026, a technical guide for modern electricians. This video covers the shift in electrical work towards system integration and advanced network protocols. The role of the electrician has expanded beyond traditional wiring. By 2026, installation includes system integration and programming. Understanding IP networking and software commissioning is now essential. The 2026 standard is built on Matter and Thread. Matter ensures interoperability across platforms. Thread provides a low-power, self-healing mesh network. Local security ensures data privacy via border routers. Smart electrical panels are the nerve center. Intelligent circuit breakers allow real-time monitoring and remote load shedding. This is crucial for managing peak loads in homes with EV chargers and solar storage. Energy optimization trends show smart devices shifting high-load tasks like EV charging to match peak solar output during the midday. Intelligent outlets and switches now have specific wiring requirements. A neutral wire is mandatory for powering radio modules. They offer 1% accurate power monitoring and instant response times via Matter over Thread. HVAC integration includes multi-zone heat pumps that require dedicated communication buses. Predictive thermostats use local sensors and grid signals to pre-cool or preheat, significantly reducing energy costs. Energy management systems, or ESS, require complex bidirectional wiring for solar, battery, and EV charging. The electrician is the architect of this microgrid, ensuring safe transitions during grid outages. Unified security ecosystems feature biometric entry via Matter-enabled locks. AI PoE cameras provide 4K local recording, and video intercoms integrate with smart panels for alerts. Installation best practices include central border router placement for mesh coverage and using Cat6 cabling for high-bandwidth devices. Dedicated circuits should be assigned for panels and EVSE. Finally, provide a, digital handover to the homeowner. The impact of 2026 tech is significant, with 85% Matter market adoption and average energy savings of 30%. Universal standards and smart panels have made sustainable energy management the default for new residential builds.